of the winners for today. There's a few announcements I want to make, and some of these are for students, some for teachers. First, if there are sessions that you didn't get to see today that you wish you had, check out our English Festival YouTube channel. Many of the author presentations and insight sessions will be posted on the channel soon. Some are already there, and you'll find some very soon. So be sure to check that out, and they've been recorded, and you'll be able to listen and watch. Second, it's traditional at the awards ceremony to talk about not only this year, but next year. We're delighted to announce news about our 44th Annual English Festival next year. We're hoping to have you all back on campus then, and we're planning a warm welcome for you. The dates, the 2022 English Festival will be held on April 6, 7, and 8. So you want to mark those dates and not do anything else on those days, 6, 7, and 8. And we're pleased to announce that our Thomas and Carol Gay Memorial Lecturers will be young adult authors Candace Fleming and Joel Knowles. And our James Houck Lecturer will be graphic novelist Gareth Hines. I think you're going to love all of them. Watch the English Festival website for further information about this exciting event. A couple of brief announcements for teachers. Teachers, please remember our new arrangements for the English Festival Writing Award for teachers. Entries aren't due until August 15th, which means that you'll have the summer to work on a piece. Remember, we have a contest for you teachers, inviting you to write a piece about some of the reading you've done for the festival or about the experience of coming or bringing students. It's been quite a year to arrange something like this. There might be all kinds of stories to tell. So please consider writing something up for us and entering it by August. Additional information is available on the website. Okay, one more thing before we move into the awards themselves. The festival wouldn't be possible without the generous contributions of many, many contributors. And we thank them mightily. I particularly today want to acknowledge two of our grand benefactors who made this possible, Mr. and Mrs. Timothy Rogers and Jason Gay and Kristen Eichenberger, in memory of Thomas and Carol Gay and Candace Gay. We greatly appreciate all of our donors. A full list of all of the 2021 contributors will appear in our Festival of Writing publication in the fall. We're ready to begin. If you've been with us before, you can imagine us all standing on the stage, lined up in the Chestnut Room in Kilcawley Center, ready to greet you and to applaud for you. And so we're going to be calling off a lot of names. Ruta Cepedes is going to be with us, and before she starts with one of the sets of awards, we want to one more time thank her for 3 very, very busy, and I hope for her, but for us, very, very rewarding days at the English Festival. Thank you, Ruta. You are a treasure to us and to all of the students.
Oh, thank you so much. The gratitude is so mutual. I'm sad that we're coming to an end. I'm all, teary about it. Thank you. I've really enjoyed it. And I'm also honored to be asked to read the winners. I am reading an honorable mention and a second prize winner from the art contest. So we have 3 honorable mentions. The honorable mentions will receive a book and a pin. Our first honorable mention is from St. Charles School, and that is Gianna Trollio. Yay, Gianna! And the second winner of an honorable mention receiving a book and a pin is also from St. Charles School, Emma Ciufani. And the last honorable mention is from Jackson Milton High School, Aiden Cole. All right, so now I am announcing the second prize. We have one winner who receives $75, a t-shirt, and a notebook. And that winner is from Maplewood High School, Abigail Doherty. Congratulations, everybody.
Congratulations to all the art winners. I'm going to move on to talk about one of the other pre-festival contests, the Jeremy Salvner Music Award. Some of you submitted music entries. A challenging thing to do, but we invite you to listen to some of the winning, in fact, all of the winning entries this year in in a session that's recorded on our English Festival YouTube channel by Dan Cowan. We're very pleased today in the junior high division to announce some honorable mention recipients. No, not honorable mention, to announce third prize, second prize, and first prize. The third prize winners, and this is our songwriting team. Each member of this team will receive $25. One of them will receive a t-shirt and a book to go along with it. One will receive a notebook and an English Festival badge. They are students from Jackson Milton High School, Aiden Cole, and Addison Beck. Congratulations for your work. The second prize winner will receive $75, a t-shirt and a pin. It's a student from Conneaut Area High School, Katie Miller. And finally, the first prize winner in the Jeremy Salvner Memorial Music Award contest is a student who will receive, $100, an English Festival notebook and an English Festival badge. It's a student who attends school at the Zoo Online program. It is Michael G. Thank you to all of the entrants and all of the winners. And we're going to move right on to the next contest. And for these next several contests, we've got several members of our committee. They will introduce themselves and introduce their contest, and we'll move right through the rest of the prizes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Stacy Graber, and I have the honor of announcing the winners of the graphic essay contest. So, second prize, where the winner receives $75, English Festival notebook, and an English Festival badge, goes to a student from Jackson Milton High School, Aiden Cole. And the first prize winner, who will receive $100, a festival t-shirt, and a festival pin, comes from Greenville Junior Senior High School, Leah Carter. Congratulations, winners.
I am Jeff Buchanan, co-chair of the English Festival Committee, and I am reading the award winners in the journalism workshop. Many students gathered this morning and talked a little bit about writing journalistically and interviewing, and then they got the opportunity to interview Recipients and write a story about it. And if that sounds like fun, let your teacher know you're interested in doing the journalism workshop next year. We have two honorable mentions this year. They are Maya Coella from the Lewis Center and Avery Livesey from Biomed Science Academy, and they receive a festival pin. There is one third prize winner, and this student will receive $50 and an English Festival t-shirt. Ron Fields, if you can see him, he is modeling one of these shirts, although you can't quite see the logo, Ron. There it is. But that's the t-shirt. It's very special. I've heard they go on eBay for as much as, no, I haven't heard that at all. So, but our third prize winner is Len Alina from Jackson Milton Middle School. And there is a second prize winner. This person will receive $75 and a festival t-shirt. And the second prize winner is Aubrey Mackey or Mackay from Mars Area Middle School. And then there is a first prize winner, and this person will receive $100 and a festival t-shirt. She is from Austintown Fitch, and her name is Hannah Proctor. Congratulations, Hannah.
All right, hi everyone. My name is Angela Messenger, and I am one of the co-chairs for the English Festival, and I'm going to announce the award winners in writing games. We had two tracks for that today, so you were either in my session or that of Gary Salvner's and Ron Fields. We have an honorable mention today. These students will receive an English Festival t-shirt from Hubbard Middle School, Caleb Schindel. From Mars Area Middle School, Clark Wickland. From Bloomfield High School, Carol Koblenz. And from the Montessori School, Bryce Allison. Congratulations, honorable mention winners. We also have a 4th place team today receiving $20 and an English Festival t-shirt. These winners are all going to be from Jackson Milton Middle School, Michaela Thornhill, Aiden Cole, and Emily Kalish. Congratulations to the 4th place winners. Our 3rd place winning team today comes from Cardinal Mooney High School. These students will each receive $30 and an English Festival t-shirt. Congratulations to Natalie DiVincenzo, Dana Hughes, and Ella Saleh. Congratulations, 3rd place team, for writing games. All right, moving along here, we have our 2nd place team. Our 2nd place recipients are each going to receive $40 and a festival t-shirt. These winners come from Canfield Village Middle School. Congratulations go to Olivia Cruz, Mia Gaffney, Abigail Halos, Nina Napo, and Olivia Weber. Congratulations, 2nd place team. And finally, our 1st place team. These winners are each going to receive $50 and an English Festival t-shirt. Congratulations to Aiden Markey, Leah Luchison, Elijah Williams from Cardinal Mooney High School. Congratulations, team.
Hey, my name is Jackie Mercer, and I am a member of the English Festival Committee, and I am going to be announcing the winners for Not So Trivial Pursuit. So earlier today, several of you participated in sessions where your knowledge of random trivia from the books was tested, and I heard that there was some excellent competition, and here are the winners. So from each session we have 1st through 5th place. So in 5th place from Lowville High School we have Reeve Donatelli, and from Maplewood High School we have Hannah Shipman, and the 5th place winners will each get an English Festival badge. So congratulations, 5th place winners. 4th place winners, each of these people will receive an English Festival pin. So from Hubbard High School, we have Emma Harley, and from Mars Area Middle School, Julian Cogalette. Okay, so congratulations, 4th place winners. 3rd place winners, each of these people will receive an English Festival notebook and a pin. So in 3rd place for Mars Area Middle School, Izzy Radens, and from Montessori School of the Mahoning Valley, Hannah Drummond. Congratulations, 3rd place winners. 2nd place winners will receive an English Festival shirt and a pin from Mars Area Middle School, Anderson Palmer, and from Holy Family, Aiden Herb. Congratulations, 2nd place winners in Not So Trivial Pursuit. And our 1st place winners, these people will receive an English Festival shirt, a notebook, and a pin from Montessori School, Carter Fick Mills, and from Biomed Science Academy, Alexandra Levy. Congratulations to our Not So Trivial Pursuit winners. Well done.
And I'm back to read the Candace Gay winners. The Candace Gay Essay Contest, which I think most of you know is one of our pre-festival contests, like the music and the art contest. Many of you responded to the prompt that we sent out earlier in the year and wrote an essay and sent it in, and we've read them and we've evaluated them, and we have some prizes to give out. We have a number of honorable mention winners today. And so the honorable mention winners in the Candace Gay Essay Contest receive a Candace Gay Memorial Awards finalist t-shirt, which looks very similar to an English Festival t-shirt, except it's a little bit more super special. And you get an English Festival tee. And so the honorable mention winners are Evangelina Camel from Valley Christian Schools Lewis Center, Madeline Gustafson from Mars Area Middle School, Aubrey Mackay, Mars Area Middle School, Kaylee Richards, Maplewood High School. Deanna Prox, Maplewood High School. Abigail Doherty, Maplewood High School. David Brown, Maplewood High School. Lillian Grace, Greenville Junior Senior High School. And Isabella Riley Corbini from Greenville Junior Senior High School. Those are your honorable mention winners. There is a fifth prize winner. And the fifth prize winner receives $50 and a Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt and an English Festival pin. And the fifth prize winner is Audrey Anderson from the Lewis Center. There is a fourth prize winner, and the fourth prize winner receives $100, a Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt and an English Festival pin. And the fourth prize winner is Lily Rebecca Bailey from Greenville. Because this is Friday and a junior high day, and Thursday is also a junior high day, and because those Candace Gay essays were grouped together as junior high essays and read together and judged together, we don't have a first or a second place today from among the schools who are attending today, but we do have one final prize, and that's the third prize winner in the Candace Gay Memorial Essays. And so the third prize winner gets $150, Candace Gay Memorial Award t-shirt and a pin. And that third prize winner is Abigail Perrine from Grove City Middle School. Congratulations, Abigail. Congratulations, all writers, trivia knowers, artists, musicians. Thanks for a fabulous session. Dr. Salvner.
Just a quick closing comment. Once more, thanks to Ruta Cepedes. Have a safe trip home to Nashville. Teachers, let me quickly remind you that we will be in touch with you about distributing prizes to your students. And so if you don't hear from us, feel free to email us. But otherwise, we will be in touch with you and find various ways to get prizes distributed. Have a wonderful rest of the school year. Have a wonderful summer. You'll be hearing from us in the fall as we get things all geared up for the 2022 English Festival next April. Enjoy yourselves. Take care. We'll see you next year at the English Festival.